The circle with center D, the length of the radius is given CD is 4, the length of BC is 1 centimeter, this one, and this is perpendicular. AC is perpendicular to AD. So when ADC is measured in degrees, which of the following expressions is the length of this arc, which is AC? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is SOHCAHTOA. S is the sine of an angle, let's call this theta, ADC. O is the opposite side and H is the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and write our formula then. Sine theta, or this angle, equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite is 1 and hypotenuse, so 1 divided by 4. Okay, so that's our sine theta. Now we want to write it as just the angle itself, theta, or angle ADC is the sine inverse of this 1/4. Okay, so now what we have is, when we write using the inverse, we have sine minus 1 1/4. We used it to find our angle. So the second thing is we need to find is arc length, AC. So arc length is given by the formula, the angle that is subtended by the arc divided by 360. So these are all in degrees times 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle, r is the radius, of course. So let's go ahead and substitute. Theta is our theta, we calculated sine inverse 1/4 times 2 pi times 4, radius is 4, divided by 360 degrees. So let's go ahead and clean that up a little. So we have on the numerator 8 pi, and the denominator we have 360. So I go divide that, and I get 8 goes into 360 45 times. So my final answer is going to be sine inverse 1/4 pi by 45, or I can take this and put this in the front up here, pi by 45 times sine inverse 1/4, which is represented by choice F here, is the correct answer. So we'll go ahead and select that answer. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you have a different way of solving this, please let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.